Hello kids, this video is for class 5 students and the subject is General Knowledge GK. As we completed up to chapter 19, today we have to start chapter 20 and the name of the chapter is Sightseeing in India. India has become a popular tourist destination with its different sightseeing places. It has a lot to offer to tourists and travelers. It has everything from the picturesque natural sights to architectural wonders. Almost all the cities in India have something interesting for tourists. Now, what you have to do? You have to write the names of the places with the help of the clues given. In the next page, clues are given with the help of that help box. You have to fill all the blanks here. Now, the first one is situated near the Tungabhadra river in Karnataka. It leaves you spellbound with its temples, monuments, and landscapes. Second is situated in Tamil Nadu. This beautiful town is frequented by thousands of tourists for its pristine beaches, temples, and the unique view of sunrise and sunset. Now, the third is India's most popular and widely recognized caves are here. The caves are simply awe inspiring. Now, the fourth one is situated in the state of Rajasthan. It is often called the Venice of the earth east. It is must see for travelers with its picturesque landscape, lakes, temples, places, gardens, and monuments. Fifth is situated in the lap of the mountains in Karnataka. It is a perfect retreat of trekkers and bird watchers. It has everything to offer to a traveler: exotic greenery, endless mountain ranges, and vibrant panorama. Sixth is known as the city of temples with 600 Hindu temples. It is situated in Odisha and regarded as the cleanest and greenest city of India. Now, number 7, a town in Kerala that's practically covered fully with tea plantation. Now, the eighth one is a favorite destination for tourists for its numerous beaches, churches, and forts and its festivals. Now, the ninth one is one of the best places to visit in India with the rich coral reefs, sandy white beaches, and lush green forests, and many other sights. Now, come to next Indian Railways facts. Here are some interesting facts about the Indian Railways. The Indian Railways celebrated its 150th anniversary on April 16, 2002. Train drivers are called loco pilots. The slowest train goes uphill at the speed of 10 km per hour. India's trains got toilets only after Indian Railways completed 50 years. Until then, people had to wait till the next station to answer nature calls. The longest tunnel in the country is 11.2 km long. It is in the Pir Panjal railway tunnel in Jammu and Kashmir. The longest running train covers a distance of 4,273 km between Dibrugarh and Kanyakumari. It is called the Vivek Express. The Trivandrum H. Nizamuddin Rajdhani Express is the longest running Rajdhani Express train, which covers about 3,131 km. Lucknow is the busiest junction in the country. The Indian Railways runs 19,000 trains in a day and transports 2.5 crore passengers daily. The mascot of Indian Railways is Bholu, the guard elephant. The longest railway platform in the world is at Kharagpur in West Bengal. The National Rail Museum in Delhi, set up in 1977, has a collection of antique steam engines, locomotives, models, carriages, photographs, among other things. There are working as well as non working models. The added attraction is the toy train which runs across the museum. The New Delhi Bhopal Shatabdi Express was the fastest train in India known until recently. It was introduced in 1988, runs at a speed of 91 km per hour. The Gatiman Express is now said to be the fastest train, which covers 200 km in exactly 100 minutes. It runs at a speed of 160 km per hour. The train is between Delhi's Hazrat Nizamuddin railway station and Agra Cantonment station. The Fairy Queen tourist train that runs between New Delhi and Rajasthan is the oldest working steam locomotive engine. Now come to tidbits. Railway station with the shortest name. IB is a railway station in the Indian state of Odisha with the shortest name. The name IB comes from the name of a river flowing nearby. Railway station with the longest name in India. The station with the longest name is Venkatanasimharajuvaripeta in Andhra Pradesh on the Renigunta Arakonam section of Southern Railway. This is that railway station with the longest name. First woman train driver in India, Surekha Yadav, born on 2nd September 1965, is a female loco pilot means train driver of the Indian Railways. She became India's first woman train driver in 1988. India's first solar powered train set for trial. In a bid to harness solar energy, the Indian Railways is all set to launch its first solar powered train on the Jodhpur division of the North-Western Railways. Now come to the next page. Firsts in India quiz. Take this quiz to find out how much you know about India. First, who was the first Home Minister of India? Second, who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? Next is, who was the first Railway Minister of India? Fourth, who was the first person in India to win a Nobel Prize? Fifth, who was the first President of India? Sixth, who was the first Prime Minister of India? Seventh, who was the first Indian in space? Eight, who was the first woman awarded with the Bharat Ratna? 9. Who was the first Indian who won the Grammy Award? Which was the first satellite launched in India? Who was the first man to climb Mount Everest? Which was India's first newspaper? Who was the first Indian to win the Man Booker Prize? Who was the first Indian pilot? Who was the first Indian to win the Miss Universe title? Who was the first Indian Oscar winner? Who was the first to win the gold medal in Olympics? Who was our first education minister? Who was the first woman to receive the Nobel Prize? Who was the first man to receive the Bharat Ratna? Now next is puzzle yourself. You have to do it by your own. Your today's homework is that you have to complete your book from page number 43 to 50. Thank you. Have a good day.